name's Elysia English and welcome to my channel. I don't know about you, but I still have a little bit of holiday buffalo plaid fever, and so I thought it would be a fun idea to create some spring buffalo plaid welcome signs. During this video, I hope to inspire you to create your own spring buffalo plaid welcome sign. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To complete this project, you're going to need a few materials. You're going to start with a wood board, 4 paint trays or containers, and some stir sticks, painter's tape, blue or green, doesn't matter, some cosmetic sponges, a large paintbrush, white paint, your favorite spring paint color. I'd like my welcome sign to be 5 feet long, so I'm going to measure to 60 inches and make a mark. I'm using my square to ensure my cut line is perfectly straight. I'm going to sand it to make sure it's nice and smooth. I'd like my font of the word welcome to be white on my end product, so I want to make sure that I don't use white for my background colors. For my background color, I have chose a green teal color, and what I'm going to do is make 4 separate shades of this color for my background. My color number 1 is going to be white with just a little bit of my green color. Color number 2 is going to be white with a little more green than color number 1. Color number 3 is just a little bit of white and a lot more green. Color number 4 is solid green. The first thing I'm going to do is use my color number 1, which was my lightest color, to paint my entire board, front, sides, and back. Once your board is completely dry, you're going to start applying the tape to make your buffalo plaid pattern. The first piece you're going to put down is going to be your permanent stick down piece, and you're going to line it up with the edge of your sign and push it down firmly. Your second piece is going to be a spacer piece, and you're not going to push it down, you're just going to line it up with the piece you already put down. Then you're going to put another permanent piece and stick it down firmly. And you're going to remove your spacer piece and keep moving it down, using it as a spacer all the way down the length of your board. I'm now going to use color number 2 to sponge over the stripes that I've created. I'm going to start at the edge and make my first tape on this side my spacer piece. Then a permanent stick down piece. Spacer, and then a permanent piece. And continue it along the end of the board. You want to make sure that your tape is pushed down really tight for this step. Using color number 3, you're going to now sponge your stripes. Unlike colors 1 and 2, we're going to actually leave our tape down for the next step without peeling it up. Now that my color number 3 is dry, I'm going to apply my tape for my color number 4. I'm going to line my tape up as a permanent piece along the top of my board and push it down firmly. Then I'm going to use a spacer piece. And then another permanent piece. I'm going to work my way all the way down my board again. Using color number 4, I'm going to sponge all the squares I have remaining. Now the fun part where we get to remove the tape. Now that my buffalo plaid background is complete, it's time for me to put on my words. I'm going to use the word welcome in white paint using my Silhouette Cameo. If you don't have a Silhouette Cameo, you can buy the pre-made stencils at your hobby store. Using a cosmetic sponge, I'm going to sponge over my lettering. I'm going to make a couple of passes because I want to use really light amount of paint my first pass over. Now that I've done one pass over my letters, I'm going to do another. I hope this video inspired you to create some of your own spring buffalo plaid welcome signs. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment what color you'd like your buffalo plaid pattern to be.